We're gonna go see Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. I had to really think about that because I always say Harry Potter, right? We even watched a dog named Porter and I couldn't say his name correctly. I would always say Porter because it sounded so close to Potter. I'm weird. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm very excited. See Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. Hello. Happy Sunday. It has been such a lazy Sunday. I literally just woke up from a nap. It's 5:57 p.m. Listen, some Sundays are super productive with grocery shopping, meal prepping, and all that good stuff. And some other Sundays are like today, where we don't want to do anything. We are tired and we just want to stay home and cuddle with our pup all day. So that's what we did. We did go out to get brunch, which you may have seen clips of our food because it was delicious. I had Nutella French toast. Oh God, so good. If you're in Sunnyvale area, go to Metro City Restaurant and Bar. They're so good. In that same area, they have like really cute farmers market on Saturday too. So if you're in that area, I suggest it. It's really nice. It gets packed, but it's so cute with like all the booths and everything. You can get fresh produce. And there's always people selling things like flowers and different accessories and stuff, so it's really cute. I didn't go yesterday, but that's okay. Yesterday we went to see Harry Potter and the Cursed Child in the theater, like the Broadway, like Traveling Broadway or whatever. I don't even know what it's called, the play. And it was amazing. Like, I'm not even a huge Harry Potter fan. Like, I've seen all the movies, but I haven't read the books. But I was thoroughly impressed. Like, you legit feel like they're doing magic on stage. It's so crazy. The visual effects, just the way that they took everything into consideration. Like, even when they're like casting spells, their wands like shoot a little thing at the end. It's like, it's so cool. So cool. My favorite was when they brought out the Dementors and there was like literally somebody hanging from the middle of the ceiling going around like in this like ghost looking costume. You know, they look like the Dementors, and the lighting was so crazy. It looked so realistic. It kind of scared me actually at first. I was like, oh, there's a person coming from the ceiling, but it was actually really cool. I was so happy with it. So that was in the city. We got home late. We had some In-N-Out after because we were starving. That show is 3.5 hours long, so if you're gonna go, just prepare yourselves. You should probably eat before. We also had popcorn there that was so good. It was like a bucket of popcorn that had like half cheddar popcorn and half caramel popcorn. We've been eating so much lately and so bad, which we don't care. We're having a good time, you know? It's all good. I also got my nails done yesterday. Maybe I'll put in some clips because I am obsessed. I went to this new nail lady. I was really looking for somebody who did like really good nail art, because sometimes I get really bored of just like, I don't really like just the plain color on my nails. I like art on my nails. I'm pretty sure I found the chick that I'm obsessed with her. Like, her work is great. For the rest of the Sunday, I'm probably just gonna clean the apartment. Rodrigo's dad is coming into town on Wednesday, so we have a couple days, and we should be cleaning because I work the next few days. Other than that, just gonna be continue to have a chill Sunday, do a little self-care, and that's about it. We'll see how this week goes. trying to pack, but I've been watching The Ultimatum on Netflix because my coworker told me to watch it. And she's like, can you watch it so that we can talk about it, because the drama. Because I also like Love Island, Too Hot to Handle, Love is Blind, like all of those shows. The drama. Oh my god, do not give your significant an ultimatum if you don't want to see them with somebody else. That's all I gotta say. Shit, juicy. Juicy. No. Are you sad that I'm leaving? Don't be sad. Don't be a sad girl. You're so cute.